I'm John Coyle from AutoNation Drive. There's no vehicle more American than the pickup truck. And while they're still at home hauling cargo and tackling terrain, modern rigs have come a long way from their workhorse roots. Today, top spec models can rival luxury cars for opulence, and that's made them more popular with buyers than ever before. So let's take a look at the 5 best-selling trucks in America. You can't discuss pickups without including the Ford F-150, as it's an icon of rugged reliability. Right now, Ford's Raptor owns the hardcore off-roading segment, and the range-topping King Ranch Edition provides all the extravagant touches you could ask for. Aluminum construction has made today's F-150 lighter and more fuel-efficient, and properly equipped F-150s can haul up to 3,300 pounds and tow up to 13,200. For generations, the F-150's arch rival has been the Chevy Silverado. It's the automotive version of the legendary Hatfield-McCoy feud, and it's caused both companies to create better and better trucks. Notably, the Silverado was completely designed for 2019 and is now available with a turbocharged 4-cylinder. At 310 horsepower, it's more powerful than the base V6, but buyers looking for the best hauling and towing specs will want to opt for one of the available V8 engines, which are rated to haul almost 3,000 pounds and tow over 12,000. Of course, each member of America's Big Three offers a pickup, and the Ram 1500 is also all new for 2019. And while it doesn't offer the bevy of engine choices as its domestic competition, both the 305 horsepower V6 and the 395 horsepower V8 provides plenty of motivation for Ram's rig. Along with the fantastic ride quality, an excellent infotainment system, and a class-leading interior, the Ram can also walk the walk. Check the right boxes on the options list, and the shiny new Ram will handle a payload of 2,300 pounds and tow 12,750. Now, for many years, American manufacturers largely had the truck segment to themselves. But the Toyota Tacoma has found a nice niche in the small truck market and has been embraced for both its bulletproof reliability and high resale value. While a 159 horsepower 4-cylinder is available, we think most buyers will be better off opting for the 278 horsepower V6, and the TRD trims offer beefed up suspension bits that'll make short work of even the toughest trails. While not the stoutest truck here, the Tacoma can be configured to haul 1,620 pounds and tow 6,800. Rounding out our look at America's 5 best-selling trucks is the GMC Sierra, the corporate cousin to Chevy Silverado. Since it rides on the same architecture, it shares all the benefits of the all-new platform and offers similar performance. Where the Sierra distinguishes itself from the Silverado is inside the cabin, where even the base models feature materials that are a few notches above its counterpart. That makes it a great choice for luxury-focused buyers who also need all the towing and hauling capabilities of a full-size truck. Of course, you shouldn't buy any vehicle without a thorough test drive. So if you're deciding which one of these great trucks best fits your needs, visit AutoNation.com to find a nearby dealer. Which do you think is the best choice? Leave a comment below, and also be sure to subscribe as we have more videos coming up. I'm John Coyle. Thanks for watching.